Hi everyone! I'm really excited to announce my next workshop collaboration with Unison Colour Soft Pastels. We're teaming up again to bring you another live online workshop where you can spend the day painting along with me. Last time we did a pet portrait and I challenged you all with long white fur, which is really difficult. But just look at some of these examples that were created by the guys who attended the workshop. Amazing. This time I want to make it totally different, so I've chosen a wildlife theme. And this is my practice run of the Lioness for the workshop. And I'm going to be recreating this on the day, and you guys will be able to work right along with me. Now you can work along with me on this image, but I will also give you a selection of other lioness photos and some lion cub photographs. So if you want, you can choose a different photograph to work on and use all of the same techniques that I'm going to teach. The main thing I can teach you from this image is how to use colour to create light and shade. And believe it or not, we're going to paint this in 4 hours, and I'm going to show you how to use less detail to create realism. And that's all through clever use of colour. When you sign up, you'll receive the photo references, including gridded versions and the line art too, as well as a full materials list so you can prepare before the workshop. Now, my lioness is on velour paper, and I'm going to talk a lot about that paper in the workshop, but you can work along on any pastel paper of your choice. For example, I use pastel mat all the time, and I would do pretty much exactly the same things to create this on pastel mat. So don't worry if you don't like velour paper, you can work along on any paper that you choose. The best thing about teaming up with Unison is that I'm able to create a palette of colours just for the workshop. And you can order the pastel set when you sign up so that you're working with exactly the same colours. Alternatively though, if you have plenty of colours already, you can just sign up for the workshop. But this little set will come in very useful for creating warm coloured animals with green backgrounds, and I recommend, if you order the set, that you prepare them like I am here. So whether you're a complete beginner in soft pastel or a more experienced artist, I hope that this workshop will boost your skill level and give you the confidence to paint wildlife. And don't worry if you don't keep up with me on the day. You will have access to the full video after the workshop so that you can re-watch it as many times as you want and work along at your own pace. So come on, get yourself booked in. Let's have another fun day with artists from all around the world painting together. I'll add the link in the description for where you can book your spot.